5 amazing health benefits of ginger you must know. Ginger. It's spicy, it's aromatic, and it's been used for thousands of years not just in the kitchen, but also in traditional medicine. From soothing nausea to protecting your heart, this powerful root is more than just a flavor booster. It's nature's own medicine cabinet. So in today's video, we're counting down the 5 amazing health benefits of ginger that will make you want to add it to your daily routine. Especially number 1, which could actually help protect your heart and prevent serious conditions like stroke. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Boosts digestion and fights nausea. Ginger is most famous for its ability to calm your stomach. If you've ever had an upset stomach, motion sickness, or morning sickness, ginger can help. Its active compounds, called gingerols and shogaols, relax the intestinal muscles and speed up digestion, helping your body move food through your system more smoothly. It's also fantastic for reducing bloating, gas, and indigestion after heavy meals. Tip: try sipping on warm ginger tea after eating. It not only tastes great, but also helps your digestive system reset and function better. Number 4. Strengthens your immune system. Feeling under the weather? Ginger's got your back. It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support your immune defenses. Ginger can help your body fight off infections, ease sore throats, and even reduce inflammation in your sinuses during a cold. Studies show that ginger can help your body produce more white blood cells, the soldiers that guard you against bacteria and viruses. So, a little daily ginger tea or a dash of fresh ginger in your smoothie could be your secret weapon for staying healthy all year long. Number 3. Reduces pain and inflammation naturally. Did you know ginger works like a natural painkiller? That's right, ginger helps reduce inflammation in your muscles and joints, making it especially helpful for people dealing with arthritis or chronic pain. The gingerols found in the root block certain inflammatory compounds in the body, similar to how pain medications work but without harmful side effects. It can also ease menstrual cramps, muscle soreness, and even migraine pain when taken regularly. So, if you're looking for a natural way to feel better and move freely, ginger might be just what your body needs. Number 2. Supports weight loss and metabolism. If you're trying to maintain a healthy weight, ginger can help speed things up. Literally, it boosts metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent sudden hunger spikes and energy crashes. Research suggests that ginger increases thermogenesis, meaning it helps your body generate more heat and burn more fat. So, adding a bit of ginger to your diet, whether in tea, juice, or food, can be a gentle, natural way to support your weight loss journey. Quick tip: mix fresh ginger, lemon, and a touch of honey in warm water every morning for a refreshing, metabolism-boosting start to your day. Number 1. Protects your heart and keeps blood flow healthy. Now, for the most powerful benefit of all, ginger's amazing effect on your heart health. Ginger acts as a natural blood thinner, helping to prevent blood clots that can lead to strokes or severe heart attacks. It gently improves blood circulation, keeps your arteries clear, and helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while supporting healthy good cholesterol, HDL. This means your heart doesn't have to work as hard, and your risk of developing heart disease decreases over time. But that's not all. Ginger also helps regulate blood pressure by relaxing your blood vessels, ensuring a smoother and healthier blood flow throughout your body. Pro tip: drinking a cup of ginger tea daily or adding fresh ginger to your meals can help keep your heart strong and your circulation in top shape. So, there you have it. 5 powerful reasons why ginger deserves a place in your kitchen and your health routine. From better digestion and stronger immunity to pain relief, weight control, and heart protection. This humble root truly is one of nature's greatest gifts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.